This is a reminder, keep showing up for your brand kasi narating din yung moment. Night vlog, 9 PM na. We're here sa office. Isang friend ng sister ko na umorder. Kailangan na daw niya emergency. Walang office tomorrow, so we're here. So, the client ordered 12 by 10 by 4 flip-top cream box. Ito siya kalaki. It's our ribbon area. So, she ordered navy blue na ribbon. There's free 1 yard na ribbon for every flip-top box that you order. May new hire. Packing guy. So, I haven't done this in a while. Nagtagal na namin pack ng items. Minsan gagawin namin yung stuff like this. I miss being here. Sa totoo lang guys, natatakot kasi ako pumunta sa office mag-isa. Hindi ako matatakotin, but I stay up late here kahit until 10 o'clock. We're locking out, we're closing the line. Wow, may ilaw from the CCTV, ang social naman. Isang lugar lang yung office mo dun sa bahay mo. Oh, paisip ka na, shocks. Sa office na kami. Like, grabe, dati nasa house lang ng parents ko, tapos ngayon may sarili na ako. Thank you. Late night thoughts. Nandito na si Kuya Lala. Punta pang Fairview to. Kuya, thank you. Ingat.